everybody, welcome back to another Fantech 0104 railfanning video. We just finished up railfanning here at Forest Hills Station in Boston, Massachusetts. There's William.
Hello.
He's our tour guide through his Boston experience this week.
Yep, I sure am.
So this was a very impressive station to railfan at. As you can see, the overhead electricity, this is the Northeast Corridor, close to Boston's South Station in the north ends of the Northeast Corridor. So check out what we have to offer you today. Here's what we saw today at Forest Hills. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, here comes my first ever MBTA train passing through. I think once this pulls in, we're gonna have another one take off. Oh wow, look at that. There is. Oh, that's right, this is the end of the line at this station for the orange line.
It's track switching because the train's on the other track.
Right.
I don't know if you see the headlights on the other one. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna do it.
Here we have a train going to South Station and the orange light train going too at the same time.
Let's have a race.
This train is Oak Grove.
That was the same one.
Yeah, it was.
Same one pulling in. Track switch.
Yep.
Or maybe not. I don't know. That's probably what I'm most familiar with.
Finally got to hear that.
Yeah.
Might want to come a little bit more to the left. There he goes.
Oh, wow. This guy whipped it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's not stopping here.
Nope.
So we're A-okay. Put my bottle down. Yeah, you have to wait.
Listen to that sound.
There's a commuter rail train right behind you.
Oh, there is. That track sound that made on the orange line's interesting.
It actually makes a different sound when the Hawker Siddelys used to run over it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There's another train too. Oh, the action's picking up.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
1470. Is this a new one? I think they just entered this one. I don't know if I've seen those car numbers before. Oh yeah, look. Well, some of it just said T on it.
I don't know.
Does it have to be on the other side to do that? I doubt it.
Yeah.
It says track 3. I think next to us is track 3.
Train to Needham Heights.
Yes. Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, it's stopping here. Yeah, not one track announcement.
Yep.
Or not, no train. Oh, now it says train approaching.
Oh, that's weird.
Silly Wesley.
Now, here's something weird to talk about with you, William.
What is that?
All the northbound trains are going to South Station.
Northbound trains to. Oh yeah, no, it's true. No, it is true. You're right.
Yeah.
That is so weird.
It is weird, yeah. It's also weird, too, 'cause I'm so used to the outbound trains being north, but the outbound trains are south here.
Yeah, isn't that weird?
Yeah, it is weird, yeah.
But I mean, it's also because the commuter rail goes in 2 different directions.
True, yeah.
So it's like, you know how Long Island Railroad goes one direction and then Metro North goes the other direction.
Yeah.
This is all under the same company with the same name.
Right.
It's not a different, name. So obviously, any train that's south of the city, for the most part, any train south of the city is going to go this way. Any train north of the station is going to go towards, Salem, Cape Ann, all that area. Beverly, lot of that spot basically. That's kind of how it works for the most part. But I mean, there'll also be some trains every once in a while around here that would go towards the North Station, but that's not this line.
Right.
That would be like somewhere else around here, but I would have to get the name. But yeah, it's a pretty crazy system though, huh?
It is, but it's awesome.
It's a little crazier than Metro North.
It is.
Complex in a way.
This is a nice change. Even though we love Metro North, this is a nice change.
Hey, listen, forever New Yorker, man.
Yes.
Always. I'm just up here for school, but forever New Yorker.
Mhm.
But still, it's, you know, the T has amazed me in what they have in terms of transportation, and they run all different kinds of transportation. There's commuter rail, there's like hard rail or heavy rail like the Orange Line, but they also have like light rail, which is like the Green Line, and then they have like the Mattapan trolley, which is like, you know, a little high-speed trolley route, and all that other stuff. And then they have like a Silver Line bus that goes underground, so a rapid transit bus and local bus and all that other stuff. It's cool.
It is really
all
cool.
Kinds of transportation you can think of.
And speaking of which,
Speaking of hard rail
there you are.
or heavy rail, here's the CRRC. So in case y'all are wondering, this is the CRRC 1400. It's the newest one on the Orange. I think he's making a track switch according to his signal. Oh wait, no, he's not. That's occupied already. Oh, and you have the other one taken off too.
Perfect.
And we got the Foxborough one in 7 minutes. And the Foxborough train will take you directly to Patriots Place, which is where the Patriots play.
Oh, sweet.
So you literally take it to Foxborough. It literally is right next to Gillette Stadium. I've done it before. It's really cool. I've gone with my old roommate. I think those are newer cars.
They are newer?
I think so.
Okay.
Because I know there was a few test trains that they ran like a week ago or so that I think were just shipped over here. They're still, even though these are technically a few years old, they are still shipping some CRRCs in.
Oh, okay, kind of like the
One of the new
M8s.
shipments, I think. Don't quote me, but I think 1470 is one. Sorry, Wesley.
That's okay.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, at 40 on this one.
Holy
Make
crap.
way for the Acela!
Oh crap, he's flying. Oh my god.
Nothing like it, right?
Holy crap, that thing is a friggin' bullet. CRRC 1400. Everyone is giving honks today.
This is awesome! Got a lot of good horns.
14. Double 14. Well, that's a double car. I always thought that was a double diesel.
No, just double cars, just not diesels.
I was like, I've never seen that before. All right, double action, man.
Yup. Here comes the Acela again.
How you living Forest Hill so far, Wesley?
This is a fantastic station. I'm glad we came here. This was an all multi-level set.
Well, this is all double deck.
Yeah.
2021 trailing. We're pushing. And that's the end of this battery. All right, perfect timing.
Yeah, that was perfect timing for you.
All right,
Oh, that's right, folks. Since I'm up here with William, he's having camera problems.
Of course. Hey, but you know what? They were charged, and the good one is actually still in here. So
That's good, at least.
We'll have enough battery for stuff still.
Awesome.
Just an MBTA train. Yeah, this is operating ridiculously slow. There's a CRC over there. Okay. Alright, I'll just plug this in here. Yeah, 1476. Yeah, I think this is a new shipment. The other guy should pull out in a second.
Yeah.
Since he's pulling it. Yeah, I hear the bell.
Yep.
It'll speed up in a second. There he goes. Track switch. That one jump scared me.
Here comes Northeast Regional from Richmond.
Oh, ACS.
Yep.
Oh wait, if it's giving an announcement, he's gonna whip it. He's gonna whip it.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, I'm in a good spot. Okay. Sorry, Wesley.
You're good.
Don't want to be too close. Yep. Yeah, just
Yeah, I think it's a little harder here because he can't see us as well. Alright everybody, what an adventure that was here at Forest Hills, Massachusetts Station. We got a lot of great action. Amtrak, the T, and the MBTA. First experience on the MBTA? Thumbs up indeed.
Yes. I'm glad you got to see it, man.
Thanks, me
First time
too.
you're in the city, gotta get a good gotta get a good rail fanning in, huh?
You bet, yeah, first time being in Boston, this was a great railfanning experience.
Nice.
Alright,
Enjoyed it, man.
thanks for taking me out here.
Absolutely, man.
So thank you all so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more, stay safe out there, and keep on rolling.
All right, bye.